Alhuda Hub, a Quran institution dedicated to Islamic education, offers a comprehensive Quran learning program designed to cater to individuals of all ages and backgrounds. This proposal outlines the key aspects of the program, its benefits, and how it can contribute to your spiritual growth. Program Overview. Tailored Curriculum. The Quran learning program at Alhuda Hub is customized to suit your individual needs and pace. Whether you are a beginner or have prior experience, the curriculum will be adjusted accordingly. Qualified instructors. You will be guided by experienced and knowledgeable Quran teachers who are committed to helping you understand the Quran's teachings and recitation. Interactive learning. The program incorporates interactive methods, such as recitation practice, question and answer sessions, to enhance your learning experience. Online and in-person options. Choose the learning format that best suits your preferences and lifestyle. Alhuda Hub offers both online and in-person classes. Benefits of Quran learning. Spiritual growth. Reciting and understanding the Quran can deepen your connection with Allah and foster spiritual development. Peace of mind. The Quran's teachings can provide guidance and comfort in challenging times. Intellectual stimulation. Learning the Quran requires concentration and critical thinking, which can enhance your cognitive abilities. Cultural enrichment. The Quran is a rich source of Islamic history, culture, and literature. Commitment and expectations. Regular attendance. Consistent attendance is crucial for progress in Quran learning. Active participation. Engage in class discussions and practice sessions to maximize your learning. Homework completion. Complete assigned tasks and assignments to reinforce your understanding. Respectful conduct. Adhere to the guidelines and code of conduct set by Alhuda Hub. Conclusion. By enrolling in the Quran learning program at Alhuda Hub, you can embark on a transformative journey of spiritual growth and intellectual development. The program's personalized approach, qualified instructors, and interactive learning methods make it an ideal choice for individuals seeking to deepen their understanding of the Quran. If you are interested in learning more about the Quran learning program at Alhuda Hub, please feel free to contact us.